Hello and welcome to this lecture where I'll be adding a document to our index. I've opened up Sense and I'll issue a put request. When adding a document to an index, it's optional if you want to supply an ID for the document. If the ID is omitted, then Elasticsearch will generate a random ID and then use it to index the document. In this case, you should use the post verb instead of put. In this example, however, I will supply the ID, so I will issue a put request and add the ID to the URL. So let's begin typing out this command. I'll write put / the name of our index, which is e-commerce, / product, which is the type of the document, / 1001 as the ID. And in here I will add the properties of the document. So I'll give the product a name. I'll say send framework 2 from beginner to professional, which is the name of one of my courses. I'll set the price to 30.00. I'll add a description. Let's say learn send framework 2 in just a few hours. Let me just make this a little bit wider. I'll set the status to active. The quantity will be 1, let's say. And here I'll add categories. And remember that this is an array of nested objects. So I'll add an object in here with a name property. I'll just set it to software. And that's the only category I will add. Let's also add some tags, which is going to be an array. Remember that I mapped this as a string, but Elasticsearch will automatically detect this array and convert it appropriately. So let's say send framework, and another tag could be ZF2. Let's add PHP and lastly programming. I'll just go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it says successful 1 and created true. So the document has been added to the index and it's now searchable. Let's confirm this by opening up Cabana. So I'll navigate to localhost at port 5601. And now it's asking me to configure an index pattern. So I'll just remove this checkbox and I'll actually just write the name of my index in here. You could also put in an asterisk, but right now I'm only interested in this index as it's the only one that I have. Click create and then go to this discover tab up here. And we should be able to find the document by searching for send framework in the search bar. And it seems like we found it. And as you can see, the document that we just added shows up, and the matching parts of the query are highlighted in yellow. We're going to get into more details of writing search queries in the next section. So for now, I just wanted to show you that our document does indeed exist within the index. And I also wanted to show you that Cabana is quite convenient for performing quick searches while you're developing. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much for watching.